Hello friends, today we are going to make ghee. Almost all the Indians, they know how to make ghee at home. And ghee has become very popular all over the world now. Most of the Westerners, they do not know how to make ghee at home. Not all the ghee you buy from store are pure. They add color and ghee flavoring to a vegetable shortening and make it look like ghee, which is not good for health at all. Traditionally, those olden days, they milk the cow and then they turn the milk into curd, and then they add water to the curd and then make buttermilk, and then they churn the buttermilk to get the butter. They separate the butter and then they heat the butter and that turns into ghee. Here you can see this lady churning the buttermilk to separate the butter from the buttermilk. Let me show you the easy way to make ghee at home. Here I'm using unsalted butter and whipped butter. Sometimes I cook just the butter and make the ghee. Use a heavy bottom saucepan and place the butter in the saucepan. By mistake I bought salted whipped butter, but it's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and use it. Now turn the stove on and keep it to medium high until the butter is nicely melted. And then you can turn it to medium low and then low. You don't have to keep stirring it, but once in a while just stir it and see how it looks. Initially, the froth will start to form and slowly it will disappear. As you can see, the melted butter is turning from yellow to brown, and then slowly it will turn to dark brown. In the bottom of the pan you'll see something burnt, which is okay. That's nothing but the residue. The ghee will be on top floating. When the ghee turned brown like this, it's done. Turn the stove off and quickly move the saucepan away from the heat. Once it's cooled, strain the melted ghee into a clean glass bowl or a glass bottle. Let it cool nicely. Now you see the color. It's not dark brown anymore. It's lightened. And the smell is so aromatic. You won't get this kind of flavor and the aroma from the store-bought ghee. Here is your ghee, homemade ghee. Some people do not like the smell of the ghee, like my daughter and my friend. Sorry, my special people, I have to make this video for my channel. Thank you friends for watching. Please remember, do not wait for the storm to stop. Learn to dance in the rain. Communication is the best way to solve all the problems. Please be happy and take care of yourself. Health is wealth.